up? There are less than 60 days until SEMA, and what I want to start doing are regular updates on the SEMA build that is the punishstang, because it is official. It is a feature vehicle. Like, I just got the email that was like, don't lose this email, this is your ticket in, your car's on display, and all that situation. And so I'm so excited, and what this video is really about is highlighting some of the sponsors who were first involved, really extensions of our car family. Signing the door. Mitchell is the artist in charge of our cage, and it's ridiculous. You want to tell me about it?
Mild steel. You got 6 points. They're all on 6x6 pads. Custom bit, so you have like a little easier access getting in.
Yeah, I'm stoked on that. And the kids will be able to climb back there and get car seats.
Actually have my son in there.
Oh, nice. Good. Yeah. Oh, that's rad. And everybody at Cogswell Marine, thank you so much. I know your goal was to get that cage in there and get us safe before LS Fest, and then that ended up helping with everyday life, as I do daily. I've got a video coming up on how to death-proof your kids into a car with a roll cage. But hey, I just wanted to thank you guys for believing in me. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and jumping on so early. I feel like the world is so good. Thank you guys for helping me stay stoked over cancer and make all these memories with my kids while I'm still me. I love you guys so much. Let's go to SEMA. Oh, I don't know when you fell over, probably a while ago. I've been fiddling with this car seat, or wait. Yeah, it totally doesn't fit around me. Oh wait. It might. There may be hope yet. If I reroute it, it'll fit better. Got it. We're all good? Alright guys, first impressions driving the cage. Let's call it the north end of Mexico. Another lesser known benefit of the cage is it makes it much easier to push a car because you can steer and you have good anchor points. So that's helpful. Apparently you can do it barefoot or not. Or my flip flops. Who's in charge of this shop? Ugh. Wardrobe!